Okay. My name is Christina Lynn. My business is Lynn Financial. I help people with their retirement, so I do like 401ks and IRAs and retirement planning, that kind of thing. But my passion is to help people who are going through a divorce. So my company sponsors a nonprofit organization. It's a divorce educational workshop. It's held once a month at STI here in town. And it's a resource that's available to the surrounding community, about a 100-mile radius. And what the goal of that nonprofit divorce educational workshop is just to provide a safe place for people to learn about how to navigate the divorce process in an efficient manner. Typically, divorce, and I know from experience, that's why it's like a passion project of mine. I went through a really hard divorce, flopped on my face. I handled it really poorly. Just financially, legally, emotionally, I handled every aspect of it really poorly. It was hard on me and my family. And so I wanted other people to handle it better, because it is something that affects about half of the people who get married, which is really unfortunate. But it doesn't need to be as hard as I made it to be. And it wasn't on purpose, it was just, lack of education mostly. So most of how people get their information about divorce is through gossip. Well, my sister had this happen to her, or this is what happened to my neighbor. And so people just really don't have an objective knowledge base of what to expect and how to make a good decision with the many, many decisions that you have to make in divorce. So we bring in local experts. We bring in divorce attorneys. We bring in financial experts. We bring in therapists to talk about like family, how to make sure that your kids are protected, how to take care of yourself during the divorce. We bring in like career coaches. If some people, especially like stay-at-home moms, their life is even more turned upside down because then they have to go back to work. So we assist with that. We bring in life coaches. We bring in mortgage officers to talk about the refinancing process in divorce. So yeah, we want to hit every aspect that a woman or a man would be faced with in going through a divorce, and it's not a support group. It's not like an emotional. It's not like a platform for you to vent or to seek refuge in. It's really just a place to come and get educated at. So, yeah.
Thanks for your time.
Yeah.